Number 5. Sergeant Rodriguez. Police Officer Sergeant Mark Rodriguez from Mississippi was driving under stormy weather on a Tuesday morning when suddenly a bolt of lightning struck the bridge just a feet in front of him. The dramatic footage that shows a huge explosion from the clouds was captured from his car patrol's dashcam. A couple of days later, Rodriguez returned to the bridge where the bolt hit and took photos of the concrete that broke off it. Number 4. Nicola Duffy. Talk about close calls. This woman in Ireland got dangerously close to a bolt of lightning while filming a rainstorm. A lecturer in the Institute of Technology in Dublin, Nicola Duffy was recording heavy rain when a bolt of lightning suddenly appeared out of nowhere and struck the opposite side of the courtyard that was only several feet from where she was standing. The video shows a streak of light and a huge bang before she falls to the ground in shock. It is possible though that what she saw was in fact just a reflection, as there were no visible damage done to the building. It is still nearby nonetheless. Number 3. Bernard Williams. Bernard Williams narrowly escaped death when a lightning bolt hit a tree, causing part of it to catapult towards the spot he was stood just seconds earlier. The CCTV footage taken on the property's security camera shows Bernard arriving back home in torrential rain and then grabbing his gym bag before running the front door of the house. But just 4 seconds later, a massive flash of lightning hits the tree and blows it apart. The branch smashed the vehicle's back window directly where Bernard was seen taking his gym bag seconds earlier. Number 2. Nick and Daniel. Nick and Daniel had just decided not to take their boat out of the water when suddenly a huge bolt of lightning struck. The two said that they were filming an electrical storm over Oyster Bay in Sydney, Australia, when the lightning hit just meters away from where they were standing. According to them, they were just deciding whether to take their boat out because they felt the static of an oncoming storm. Luckily, they didn't.
Don't touch anything, man. No. Dude, you can... Dude, don't go outside.
No, I'm not.
Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god!
The fucking hell! I felt it!
Number 1. Girl almost hit by lightning. What seems to be an innocent walk along the shores of a beach in Australia turns shockingly deadly when an unsuspecting couple almost got hit by lightning. The pair were walking over the rocks, and as they get to the water's edge, the boyfriend, seemingly feeling that something bad is about to happen, shouts out,
"Hey, slow down on the rocks, baby, it's dangerous in there."
Seconds later, and a huge bolt of lightning hits the ground just yards from where the girl is standing. The terrified boyfriend almost dropped his camera and then yelled,
"Bloody mother of God, Jesus fucking my God, baby, come back, a lightning bolt nearly hit ya!"
This video shows what happens when a tree touches a power line.
Oh, there goes the first piece of branch.
Well, someone called the...
Yeah. People, yeah. Yeah.
Oh!
Oh!
Yeah! See, this is what I was kind of concerned about.
Oh
Yeah.
my god!
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I am.
I know! We told it so long ago.
You can see the electricity starting to flow down through the tree to the ground. As the tree burns and carbon is formed, the tree gets more and more conductive and the power increases through the tree. The power company has devices called circuit breakers in certain parts of the power distribution system. When a serious fault occurs, like this one with the tree touching the power line experiences a surge in electrical current. When the surge becomes great enough, the circuit breaker will turn off the power to prevent damage to the power lines. And that happens right about now. Here's another video of a tree falling on a power line. Again, when the power line hits the ground, there's a surge, and the power goes off when the circuit breaker turns off the power. But watch what happens 10 seconds later. The power will automatically turn on, just in case the fault is cleared on its own. In this case, the fault was still there, and the circuit breaker turned off the power again. Let's replay that last video again, and imagine somebody doing something foolish. Oh dear, that telephone pole just fell, and it's blocking traffic. Good thing the power's off. Let me grab a hold of this thing and pull it out of the way. Oh, that guy would be owned. Okay, let's go back to that video with the tree again and watch it with the circuit breakers in mind. Oh good, the power went out. Let me get my chainsaw and cut this dead tree down for my neighbor.
Well, they're going to hear this now.
This cycling of power, on and off, can go on for many minutes. But while the first interruption was only about 10 seconds, the next interruption might last 45 seconds, and then several minutes. The fact is, you never know when the power might come back on, and it will happen without warning and at any moment. So you must never approach downed power lines, even if you think they're off, even if you're certain they're off. Well, I hope you enjoyed the presentation. That's all I have for this video. I look forward to seeing you again sometime soon. Goodbye.